Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can select and send money from Revolut to Royal Bank of Canada, RBC. So what you'll need to do is just open up your app, click on the payments in the bottom of the screen, click on this white button, and here where it says international or bank, select one of those. And here you'll need to put all the important information like IBAN, SWIFT code, sort code, country. So here it will be Canada, here Canada currency, and here you'll need to put all the contact information. After that, click on white arrow, click continue, put the amount that you want to send, and review all the important information like fees and when it will arrive and etc. And click continue and see that's pretty much it. So see you in the next one, and peace.